Continue with the exercise. Question number 6. Describe the construction and working of an electric bell with the help of a diagram. This answer is taken from page number 27 of science textbook. Many of you must have seen a simple electric doorbell open such a bell which is out of order. This diagram shows a bell when its outer cover is removed. So let us understand the working of a bell. You can omit this paragraph till working of bell and you can start writing construction of electric bell directly from the sentence. A copper wire is wound around an iron piece. This coil acts as an electromagnet. An iron strip along with a striker is fitted near to the electromagnet. A contact screw is in touch with the strip. The electric circuit is connected as shown in the figure 4.8. You have to draw this diagram of electric bell. The current flows in the circuit when screw is in contact with the strip, and hence the coil becomes a magnet and attracts the iron strip towards it. Therefore, the striker hits the gong and the sound is created. However, at the same time, the contact screw loses the contact with the strip and the current in the circuit stops. In this situation, the electromagnet loses its magnetism and the iron strip moves back. Iron uh, The electric circuit is shown in figure 4.8. The current flows in the circuit when the screw is in contact with the strip, and hence the coil becomes a magnet and attracts the iron strip towards it. Therefore, the striker hits the gong and the sound is created. However, at the same time, the contact screw loses the contact with the strip and the current in the circuit stops. In this situation, the electromagnet loses its magnetism and iron strip moves back and comes in contact with the contact screw. The electric current is then immediately restored and again the striker hits the gong by the above process. This action repeats itself and the bell rings. Children, we have discussed everything regarding electric bell in previous videos. This is the answer how electric bell works. So in exam, either construction or working of electric bell may be asked. So this is the answer of that question. Extra question, draw well labeled diagrams of following: dry cell, lead acid cell, electromagnet, simple electric circuit, electric bell. So you have to do the practice of drawing diagrams. So these 5 diagrams you are going to draw. Draw neat, well labeled diagram. This is the diagram of dry cell, then lead acid cell, electromagnet, simple electric circuit, and last one is electric bell. So only one extra question is there in this chapter, drawing and labeling of diagram. So we have completed exercise based on lesson number 4. You have to write all questions and answers in science practical copy. Keep your copy up to date. Thank you.